Boy, when you thought that the Unity drama couldn't get any worse, have I got news for you. Gamers from Scratch, a fairly large YouTube channel and a game development news website, just published an article and a real great video, I will link it down in the description below, says Unity price change fallout keeps getting worse. And if you want, you can watch their whole video. They have great details. I will just recap what I think it's the most important. So on Monday, we reported Unity's new pricing plan, which proposed, among other changes, to add Unity runtime fee. Okay, so we know about this. To say this was unpopular with developers would be an understatement. That's also true. So, since the initial announcement from Unity, more and more developers, including Red Hook Studio and Megacrit, have come out with public statements strongly condemning the changes. In fact, there is a new Twitter account warning not safe for name, specifically tracking all the developers upset with Unity. Let's just say it's very lively Twitter feed. Okay, so here it is. I can't show the thing because it has a not safe for work name, but as you can see, I can scroll and scroll and scroll and scroll and scroll and scroll, and all of these devs are very upset. So yeah, that's a problem for Unity. There has been nothing but silence from Unity, other than a very poor attempt to clarifying the details of the plan, ignoring the overwhelming awfulness in the entire thing. There was supposed to be an all-hands meeting at Unity on Thursday, but this was cancelled due to death threats. And I'm not very surprised about that, according to widespread reporting. It was later revealed by Polygon that the threats originated from a Unity employee. Oh my god, I mean, that's horrible. But I can imagine that someone's life's work, and I think he said the same thing in the video, that these employees get so mad because right now it seems like the Unity management trying to basically destroy their life's work, if I can say that. I condemn this type of behavior, but I can understand they got really upset and just made bad choices. This is a very bad situation, really bad situation. It was also revealed that Unity had this plan in motion for some time and silently altered their terms of service. To make such a price change possible. Ironically, the clause they removed from a TOS was added back in 2019 in response to another Unity blunder. Let's check out this link. Here we go. Unity silently removed their GitHub repo to track license changes, then updated their license to remove the clause that lets you use the TOS from the version you shipped with, then insists games already shipped need to pay the new fees. Here we go. When you obtain a version of Unity and don't upgrade your project, we think you should be able to stick to that version with the TOS. And I think that's completely reasonable. Well, sometime around June last year, they silently deleted that GitHub repo, so we don't want you to see what's been changing anymore. So goodbye GitHub repo. April 3rd this year, slightly before the release of 2022 LTS in June, they updated their terms of service to remove the clause that was added after 29 controversy. That clause was as follows, and I'm not gonna read it, but you may elect to continue to use any current year version of the Unity software, blah blah blah, according to the terms that applied just prior to the updated terms. So you use it on those terms that you apply to. And now this clause is completely missing from the new terms of service. That means that they want to force everyone to pay regardless what version they're using. I don't know how can you do that. I don't know. If you agree to some terms, you agree to some terms. There's no way to you need to update it. You need to update it and make sure someone needs to explicitly agree to them. And I don't know, maybe they silently did some sort of pop-up and you just clicked it. I don't know. Lawyers need to find out. But still, this isn't gonna solve their problems. So, what's next? Then, to make matters even uglier for Unity, it was reported that Unity was offering to waive the hated new runtime fee if customers sign up for their ironSource acquired analytics and mobile tools on attack on AppLovin, their direct competitor. You may recall that Unity merged with ironSource back in 2022 and AppLovin had proposed a counter-merger. Oh boy, this sounds really bad. That has to do something with the law in monopoly positions or something like that. This is, I don't think that's legal. I highly doubt you can. That's like creating an issue, and the resolution to that issue is like wiping your competitor. raising these fees or introducing new fees. And then, well, you know, you can solve it by just use this tool. And with that, you silently, completely block another competitor into a worse position. I don't know, that kind of sounds illegal to me, but I'm not a lawyer. So even if this is not illegal, it's a dickish move, to say the least. But hey, again, I'm not a lawyer. I'm not one to decide. It's also interesting to point out how the stock market is responding to all of this. Here's Unity current performance. Okay, so it fell down. It's okay. That was kinda expected, while there's up lines. So it went up. Okay, as well as Sheridan's a leading UK law firm in the media and the technology space have made the following post questioning the legality on the enforceability of the entire scheme in the first place. You know, but just I said that this sounds very shady. Very shady. Suffice to say, Unity's self-inflicted wound continues to get worse and worse. You can learn more in this video, and I will link that video if you want to watch it. It's really great. And what's my opinion about this? Well, I don't know. When Reddit came down with the API fees, everyone thought that this is gonna end Reddit. And I'm not saying unfortunately it didn't, but they couldn't make a change. And in this case, there's probably going to be some changes because this looks much worse, and Unity's only source of income are the developers, and if they just hash them away, there's going to be a problem. So I feel like this was some sort of trial on their part to try to shove this down their throats, and if it doesn't work, then, well, we will be the good guys and offer you a slightly better solution, and we will just kind of forget about it. But God forbid I'm right, and let's just see how it goes down. This is the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching. You can read this article, it's really great, and all the sources, and judge yourself. And thank you very much for watching. Leave a like and subscribe. How else I'm going to make this content? Well, just like I did before, but it doesn't matter. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice one. Bye.